You're on a hair trigger, baby. I say it because I love you, but it's driving me crazy, and I think it could be trouble. I'll try to stay dignified, but I'm worried that I'll say the wrong thing at the wrong time, and that'll send you spinning right. You're always spinning right. Late nights on the highway never take you far. It doesn't matter where you end up, 'cause your problems will meet you wherever you are. And you don't check your mirrors. The skyline would break if it was clearer. I hope you know you're doing damage, so please try not to take advantage. Try to stop your heart from racing. Try to remember who you're facing. Lord knows that I've been patient, but I don't have a lot left. Late nights on the highway never take you far. It doesn't matter where you end up, 'cause your problems will meet you wherever you are. You're in love with the interstate, while I'm cleaning up every mess you made. If those are the cards you're always gonna play, then best stay away, best stay away. Late nights on the highway never take you far. It doesn't matter where you end up, 'cause your problems will meet you wherever you are. Why do you leave whenever times get bad? Late nights on the highway, we'll turn the car around right now, we'll never come back. Tonight I leave familiar for the great unknown. Got a couple broken arrows and my hair is grown since you saw me last, talking on an old flip phone. Today I shed the skin of who I used to be. Got Sinatra on a 45, I'm buzzing like a bee, just hoping you'll come fly with me. I took a Greyhound down to Georgia, then a rental up to Maine, but how I hope for California in the spring. Tonight I leave the only home I've ever known. Got a couple $100 that I'm gonna blow on a used guitar, a Fender or an Epiphone. What doesn't kill me makes me wonder and think of what the future will bring. But how I hope for California in the spring. Open road now, gonna find a place where my heart hits the ground. Steady light shine, and it gives me a rush of adrenaline every time. I'm on my way, gonna catch that plane, try not to get lost in the Everglades. And the start of a dream is a story deciding to change. Go find the change. I took a bus back down to Nashville, in Carolina in my mind, but I hope for California one more time. place, a restaurant, an old jukebox playing that song. You moved away for the Ivy League, but I heard you're coming back New Year's Eve. We count down the ball, don't turn away. You were put on earth to keep me safe. If I'm on the floor, stay close to me. Let your shadow pull the light from my face. On New Year's Day, I'll meet your eyes from across the room. Through my shirt, my heart pounds through. I asked you if you wanted to dance. Set down your drink and held out your hand. We count down the ball, don't turn away. You were put on earth to keep me safe. If I'm on the floor, stay close to me. Let your shadow pull the light from my face. On New Year's Day, on New Year's Day, you know the score, I know the play. If I'm on the floor, stay close to me. We count down the ball, don't turn away. You were put on earth to keep me safe. We walk out the door and disappear. It's even better than it was in my head. We count down the ball. We count down the ball. It's even better than it was in my head. Maybe we could start something new on New Year's Day. Maybe we could start something new. I keep a contract in the back of the car, just in case somebody really wants to make me a star. I get in contact with celebrities, drop a demo with that manager that they'll never see. I guess it's our time, I accept the right time. It's never something that I will find, or you're just being too polite to tell me that this isn't for me. Leave a message saying that you're proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody. I'm tying my shoelaces and I wanna see your faces singing one before I die. Oh, that could turn me down. Wish that you could see me now. Singing one before I die. You already know. And this is not where I thought I would be. Can't even sell 100 and my tickets are free. Just gotta hold on until something breaks. Keep on smiling at the rain and never make a mistake. It gets old when no one gets the joke that you already know, but you build that shit up anyway. Leave a message saying that you're proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody. I'm tying my shoelaces and I wanna see your faces singing one before I die. Oh, that could turn me down. Wish that you could see me now. Singing one before I die. You already know. There's so many things that I have overcome. I wanna see my name in lights just one. survive, I'll probably try again. Sometimes all those eyes want you to give it up, up, up. Don't keep me waiting. Some days every card you got is not enough, up, up. Through the bars and past my sins, magnolia bushes blowing in the wind, holes busting through that door. My brother on a lawman's favorite horse. He said, as long as you're alive, should we ride? Sometimes all those eyes want you to give it up, up, up. Don't keep me waiting. Someday every card you got is not enough, up, up. Don't keep me waiting. How many dead eyes in the western town? How many bullets in the chamber now? Sometimes the world don't know, they wake it up, up, up. Don't keep me waiting. Don't keep me waiting. Don't keep me waiting. Sometimes you leave a few too many traces on the trail. Cavalry comes calling and it's you them I guess. You find out what you're made of when you're shooting in the dark, and everything you love is getting lost or torn apart. Sometimes all those eyes want you to give it up, up, up. Don't keep me waiting. Some days every card you got is not enough, up, up. Don't keep me waiting. How many dead eyes in the western town? How many bullets in the chamber now? Sometimes the world don't know, they wake it up, up, up. Don't keep me waiting. I will volunteer myself to you, and then no one can say that there was more I could do. And when you lie back in the pouring rain, I will give you my heart and then do it again. Can you tell me why do the visions I have always have your face in them? And tell me why the lines I draw in the sand always disappear. I will volunteer myself to you, and then no one can say that there was more.